Peru is my homeland, so I decided to make a recipe that was inspired by Peruvian cuisine. Here's a fun fact. Blueberries contain phytonutrients called polyphenols. These phytonutrients include anthocyanins, plant compounds that give blueberries the beautiful blue color. Are you ready for my stir-fried chicken with blueberry ginger sauce? Let's grab a boost of blue and let's get cooking. Sauté the onion and garlic. Add the ginger, the blueberries, water, balsamic glaze, brown sugar, and chili flakes. Then cook the chicken tenders. Add the onions, the bell peppers. Let's add the chicken, cilantro, and as much sauce as you would like.